After 3 eventful weeks of exploration and creativity through visual arts, participants of the Ministry of Education's Summer Art Enrichment Program were grateful for the opportunity. 15 students were recipients of this summer's activities, We Create the World We Live In, and they all agree that the experience was not only memorable, but very beneficial.
I learned how to edit and use Photoshop because I didn't know how to use it before. But then after Mr. Hannah taught me, my brain just blew and I learned how to do it.
I think that I've learned a few things about like what to do in points to creating a painting like this. I learned how to, put it together and do things like that.
This program, it helped me to express my feelings and helped me to talk more with people, communicate, and it helps me with my art and painting.
The art program helps my experience in this to bring my creativity and my talent in painting and drawing. I like to do. It keeps me busy.
For me, it was awesome, and it helped me to see more of my skills and learn new stuff. I learned how to use the spray cans, the spray paint.
Students spent the last 2 weeks of the program designing a mural depicting their theme.
It was fun because I like working with the paint and the spray paint. It was fun.
It felt very good. I paint and spray paint.
The program's coordinator, Mrs. Shakantala Williams, is thankful for the partnerships of corporate sponsors and the overall effect of the program on the participants.
We were fortunate enough to have 4 partners: Marco's Pizza, Coca-Cola, Virgo Car Rental, and Albina's Agency. The program ran every day from 9 a.m. to 12 noon, and we were able to give the students snacks and beverages. I think it is important for all students to express their creativity, and being a part of this program is a way for them to do that. That's something that we welcome, as you may be aware that this program runs throughout the school term, and so this is just the summer portion of the program. And so we try to facilitate a holistic program here, and being able to express oneself is key, and it actually helps our students in life.
Deputy Director of Education Sharon Poitier presented certificates to the participants, and Assistant Director of Education Patronella Roll congratulated the students.